Hi, today we're going to do something kind of different. We're going to do beginning sounds by using a snowman, alright? So, I'm going to give you a sound and I want you to help me figure out what body part or scarf or hat that sound starts with, okay? That word starts with. Alright, so if I say then it's eyes, alright? And then I'm going to erase it, okay? So you have a hat, scarf, eyes, nose, mouth, and arms and buttons, okay? What on the snowman starts with the sound B? B. Buttons. Good. Buttons. So I'm going to get rid of the buttons, okay? What on the snowman starts with the sound eh? Eyes. Good. All right. What on the snowman starts with hat? Good. Hat goes hat. What on the snowman starts with arms? Good. Arms start with A. What on the snowman starts with mouth? Good. What on the snowman starts with S? Good. Scarf. Scarf starts. And what starts with nose. Good job. Hope you enjoy that little fun activity. Have a good day. Bye.